welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be testing out the new Wilderness palette from Beauty Bay. This one really caught my eye. It's obviously mainly green themed, and yeah, I think this is going to be really nice. I do really like the Beauty Bay palettes. I find them to be really pigmented. So this is what the palette itself looks like. So the design is absolutely gorgeous. It's obviously very earthy, and it's got these little like indented gold spots on, which I think just adds that little bit of something. And then this is the colour story. Absolutely stunning. Honestly, you could create so many looks with this, and a lovely ratio of mattes to shimmers in there as well. So these are the swatches from the top two rows. So we have Snow, which is really pale, so you probably can't see that. Sky, Ray, Twilight, that is stunning. Ocean, Forest, I love this one. Breeze, Mint, Moss and Ivy. And then these ones are from the bottom two rows. So we have Lime, Leaf, Eucalyptus, Marigold, Fossil, Poppy, Raw, Heat, Earth and Sunrise. So first I'm going to be going in with this one just here, which is Eucalyptus, and I'm going to go into my crease with that one. So then I'm going to blend it out. I think I'm going to blend it out into this one here called Mint. I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. Okay, so kind of like that. So I'm just going to go in and just build up that darker green pigment again. Okay, and then just on the very outer corner just here, I'm going to go in with this shade here called Twilight. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going. Core, that is pigmented. It is a really nice colour as well. A little bit of fallout though. And I did tap my brush, but that's fine. I can clean that up. Right, so I'm just going to blend that a little bit. Back to your own life, not living in the past. We're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. So we're looking like that. So obviously I've just taken away that little fallout as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is just cut this inner part of my crease just here. Okay, so like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is where I've cut the crease, I am going to go in with, I think I'm going to go for this one here called Breeze. On the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Oh wow, how gorgeous is that colour? That is so nice. These shimmers are so buttery, really beautiful. Right, so underneath here, I think I'm going to go in with the Twilight shade here and kind of connect it. Yeah, I think I'm just going to take that one all the way under actually. Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colours, they were wrong. It was way more than a dream. Climbed up, yeah, over the hillside, so right, we stood there all wide-eyed, you and I. Okay, and then inner corner, I think inner corner I'm going to go in with this one here called Ray. Floating on air in my mind, 'cause there's no going back, no going back, there's no going. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's got kind of like a pale green reflect going through it. Really nice. Right, okay, so I'm going to go and do the same on this eye and pop some lashes on, and then I'll be back. And here is the finished look, and I absolutely love it. It does remind me of a kind of greener version of the New Romantic palette, which by Beauty Bay as well, which it will do. But yeah, I am obsessed with this look. I think it is so nice. This green, I love it. So here's a little close-up of the eyes. Yeah, I just think all the colours blended so beautifully. The shimmer really pops, and yeah, blues and greens are my favourites anyway. But yeah, I just think, oh, I love it. I can't say enough. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!